Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Welcome to Sodium Experiment series. Well, this is very dangerous and a lot of fun too. So do not try this at home, enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends and keep exploring infinity.
We have seen some cool reactions with sodium metal in previous videos, and in this video we are going to find out what happens when you throw a chunk of sodium metal in a big well. Let's get started. Sodium is very dangerous metal, so do not play with it until unless you know what you are doing. This piece is enough. Normally sodium reacts with water and sometimes blasts if it's a big piece. All the experiments we tried before are in open area, so this experiment is going to be a bit different. We have a hollow area and chances of reverb is more. Let's see what happens. There is a motor pump running, neglect that sound. Here we go. Ooh, cracky. The first lump blasted into many and those pieces blasted as well. You can see the sparks too. As usual, clouds. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go watch them. You will love it. Same fun stuff related to sodium. That's it for today. A simple experiment. If you want to buy sodium metal and know more about it, watch this video on the left and click on the right to watch sodium versus ice video. Thanks for watching till here. This is Ram signing off. Meet you on the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.